Okay, we're back yet again for Gilead's very short videos, and we'll just see what happens. When I am drawing dragons for my own entertainment, the dragons are basically just a large crocodile. Even if he's got a long neck, wings, even if he's highly intelligent, his overall physiology is that of a crocodile. Unless I feel like drawing something completely different. It's your fantasy. You do what you feel like doing, and you do not, under any circumstances, ever follow the rules. There are no rules. It's fantasy art. Do it the way you feel like doing it. That's the rule. Don't let me catch you doing other what. Now, certainly, if you are hired by Dungeons and Dragons to paint a Dungeons and Dragons dragon, well, then you've got to draw the dragon the way they draw dragons. Now you've got a set of rules. But when you are making something up on your own, don't feel constrained to rules. If you're writing a story and there's a dragon and it breathes fire, well, it hasn't got to be a red dragon. It could be a purple dragon. It could be yellow. It could be whatever was your personal vision of what this thing looks like. That's correct. Draw that, or write that. Those gaming rules exist so that you can play a game, so that you can fight something and know whether you scored a hit or not. If you're not doing that, you have no use whatsoever for a set of rules. Design anything you feel like. If you don't want dragons to have wings, then they don't have wings. Mine frequently don't, for a very important reason. Can you guess why my dragons almost never have wings? Okay, I'll tell you. It is because wings take up a lot of room on the paper. And sometimes when you go to draw a dragon and you give it wings, you just basically spent all that space drawing a bunch of wings, and or two great big wings. There's no room in there for the dragon, or for if the dragon's fighting a knight on a horse. There's no space to put the rest of the picture, and that gets annoying. For that very reason, I don't imagine dragons with wings. I imagine them being four-legged animals, like a big crocodile. Whatever other attributes they might. It served the story. It's got to serve the story. That'll do it for a bit. It gets me a bunch of nice little spots of color down with the background color still showing through. The orange is a nice contrast to the blue, but as you add more colors to the orange starts to appear to be brown. It's not brown at all, it's orange, but next to other colors, it starts to look like it's brown and has a natural sort of look. I'll see you in a while.